Our next drought, though, is beginning right now. I mean, we're officially back in a drought status, and the way things are looking, this winter may not see conditions improving around here at all. Of course, it only takes one storm, to give us a really good soaking, but boy, we sure just don't see that coming. What we are looking at right now is a clear sky. It's going to be a beautiful sunset out there in the hill country. This is our live hill country camera there in Llano County. And it will be kind of cold later tonight when that sun goes down in Llano County. That's for sure. Out in the hill country, some real cold readings by morning. More on that in a minute. What you're looking at there is our evening planning forecast, and that's for Austin. And we should be all the way down to maybe 40 to 42 degrees here in the metro area by 10 o'clock tonight, dropping from 56 right now. Temperatures still in the 50s around most of the area, but you'll recall yesterday we were in the 70s still at this hour. 54 in Llano, 53 in Burnet, Georgetown coming at 55. 55 at Giddings, 58 degrees in Lockhart. In the city, it is 56 and skies are clear. Look at this dry air. 11-degree dew point right now. Dew point is a measure of moisture content in the air. That translates into 16% relative humidity. Unusually dry for us. 57 degrees and clear at ABIA. The wind's still north-northwesterly at 9 to 13 miles per hour, but they will diminish pretty quickly tonight as high pressure settles in right on top of us. Sunset's exactly 5:30 p.m. tonight. The mold count was down to the medium category today and shouldn't be any higher than that tomorrow. Around the state, 40s in north and in northwestern parts of Texas, 50s from central Texas down to San Antonio, and then south and east of there, looking at readings in the low 60s at this hour. High pressure centered out here over west central Texas. That'll slide right on top of us later tonight, meaning that we will definitely have a cold night ahead here in central Texas. The latest front that brought us this cold weather, it's bringing rain up and down the east coast right now. We're approaching the southeast coast, still moving through parts of western Georgia. The next storm system hitting the Pacific Northwest will be our next weather maker. Between now and then, though, nice ridge of high pressure results in a warming trend that gets underway tomorrow and takes us right into the weekend. But that next area of low pressure will drive another cold front right down through here on Sunday. The way it looks right now, will be cooler behind that front, maybe even potentially kind of cold as we get into next Monday and Tuesday. And there's another little disturbance that the computer models are not in agreement with how this thing will play out. This could bring us some overrunning clouds and some rain and maybe even a few snowflakes or sleet pellets up in North Texas, we believe, about Tuesday, Wednesday. But again, some models say it'll happen, some say it won't in terms of that precipitation. So we will keep you posted day by day. What we know will happen around here is that we'll see a southerly flow return late tonight, early tomorrow, and continue for the next few days, meaning some cool mornings, but not as cold as these numbers. This is tomorrow morning, and the coldest river bottoms and creek bottoms out here in the hill country could be down to 20 in the morning. Most everybody else in the 20s, except for right here in the city, low 30s. Tomorrow, mid-60s, our warming trend gets underway. Clear tonight and 32. Tomorrow, let's go 65 and sunny. And the 7-day forecast back to 70 on Thursday, warmer Thursday morning. Warmer Friday morning, warmer Friday afternoon. Get the idea here. Warmer Saturday, up to 75. That front comes in sometime on Sunday, so we'll call for a high in the upper 60s. And then pretty cool early next week with that chance of maybe some overrunning light rain on Tuesday.
Thank you, Jim.